see some live entertainment, this is Yoo-Hoo. After me is 3033. I was lucky enough to have some friends this week. Not only Brett Lyons will be playing for the next month. Brett Lyons, everybody. But Second City alumni and now LA residents Joe Canale and Molly Erdman, everybody. They'll prove it. Can we have a suggestion of anything at all just to get us going, please? I heard Waterfall. Thank you, Waterfall.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This started out as a week in paradise, but it's turned into a week in hell.
Terry, is this about your knee? Because we've heard about enough.
I'm pretty sure I at least strained a ligament and maybe...
Terry, why? I mean, listen, you were supposed to stretch and stuff before we went on this trip.
Or wear knee pads. I'm wearing knee pads, Terry.
Yeah.
Knee pads and stretching wouldn't have prevented the injury I sustained.
There's no way to know that.
Because I slipped on a wet rock. That's how I know that, okay? I slipped on a wet rock. And knee pads wouldn't help me on a wet rock. And stretching wouldn't help me on a wet rock.
Terry, have some gorp.
Is this your special recipe?
Yeah.
All right, so besides Terry knees aside...
He puts peanut M&Ms in. That's what sets it apart.
There are 14 Indians on the other side of that waterfall that want our scalps, okay?
They're not Indians. They're Aborigines. I keep telling you.
Well, either way, they keep saying, pointing to my head and going, I want your scalp. And the last movie I watched was Last Mohican, so I put 2 and 2 together, okay? You gotta give them back their idol. We shouldn't have taken it in the first place.
It's so shiny!
We don't know it was their idol.
Yeah, he ain't got no name tag on it! Kegs are for everyone!
That's right.
Why would they want our scalps if it wasn't their idol?
Okay, that makes it seem like it's their idol.
They went over there. I saw them, they all ducked down. They have the idol with them, I saw them.
It looks like one of them sustained at least a strained ligament.
You can tell that by the way he fell off that flat rock on their run across the river.
No, he's whining and bitching like it.
I want their hats. I'm going to keep pointing to their head. I really want their hats.
Very nice hats.
Very nice hats.
Very nice hats.
I'd like to know what they're thinking.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know? I'd like to get inside there and know what's happening.
I don't want to tell them. I just want to go.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you see that one guy's beard? Did you see his beard?
Yes.
Oh, it was so finely cut on the bottom. That guy's beard was awesome.
Yeah.
I could never do that with these primitive tools.
No. These things are it's so easy just to break it.
Yes, now you don't have one.
Well, I have a tinier one.
Yes, you're smaller. Yes. It's like a torch, but with a point on the end of it.
Okay, we get it. Okay, I'm just saying.
Hey, you coming to my birthday party?
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah,
I mean,
Come on, guys. I've been waiting for an answer for weeks on this.
well, it's the time that the moon is the highest. And
No.
no, high moon.
High moon. We've made high moon plans.
Yeah.
I have to thatch my roof.
Yeah.
Come on.
I have to help him watch him thatch his roof.
Just say you don't want to celebrate my birthday.
Ooh, I saw one of them peeking out. Yes, your hat!
We love your hat.
Your hat!
Oh yeah, well, I want this beard. Oh man.
Put your head back in here.
Oh my God.
Down.
3 of them were going like this and one of them was going like this.
That means cut your scalp off. I know sign language.
Okay. Do you need me to support you? You can leave.
Give me some of that gorp.
No. Sure. Here.
A little more gorp would help me too.
Careful. You know the secret?
Peanut M&Ms.
All right.
You're not telling me you got double secret gorp.
Is there a second secret?
No. Peanut M&Ms are most of the secret.
Wayne, is there another secret?
Yeah, keep them real fresh because I always keep the bag zip-locked. My gorp is fresh and crunchy.
It just seems it would fall out if you didn't keep it zip-locked.
Less of a secret
That's
and
not a
more what a Ziploc bag
That's
does.
common sense.
It's tasty gorp still.
It is good.
I'm telling you, it's out of economy sealing it so well, and the peanut M&Ms.
Listen, we gotta give him the idol back, okay? I vote you go out and give it to him.
Yeah. Terry, come on.
Terry, come on.
God damn it! Son of a bitch.
Come on! Such an ordeal.
Damn North Face backpack right in my face. It's got a lifetime goddamn guarantee.
I'm not the North Face. I'm not the North Face.
You wish your face had a lifetime guarantee, like my North Face.
I have a JanSport. Carries the same guarantee, but I paid so much less for it.
That's because the JanSport doesn't rest in the correct position in your lower back. You're gonna have
This thing is ergonomic.
It's more like a pain sport.
All right.
You don't have to know about Ziploc bags to know about JanSport backpacks.
Okay, whatever.
Come on.
I hope he does not drop it.
What is he doing?
Careful!
What is that?
Careful with it!
It looks like
Be careful!
it's some kind of
Be
idol.
careful!
What are you doing?
Careful!
Oh my God, you're pissing them
So
off!
angry!
Piss them off!
We're so angry.
We got Gorb!
Don't say the gorp for us.
Gorp! 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 Gorp!
It looks like it's so fresh.
What are those little multicolored circles in the bag?
I don't know, but I know when we keep our Gorp in our animal skins, air gets in.
So hard to keep it fresh.
Impossible to seal.
It's like opening up a box of Quaker Oats oatmeal before you cook it and just putting it in your mouth. That's what it tastes like. Because it's so not fresh, your Gorb.
What is this Quaker Oats?
Oh, they look
I heard
dead.
one of them say Quaker Oats.
Oh no, that's bad.
What? Why?
What do you mean? Wait, no, he knows. What?
Because it probably translates to Quaker goats, which means they're going to sacrifice us like a goat. Give me some of that gorp.
So good, I know. It's like Pringles. Once you get in that shit, you
Once
can't
you
get enough.
You can't.
Terry!
You can't stop with my Gorb.
You
Terry!
I'm so
Oh no!
I got excited. I was like, that one.
Wait a minute.
I didn't know the spear was. I was like, I thought this was my pointer. Hang on, I'm sorry.
Did you just kill him to make up for the fact that you said Quaker Oats?
What? You mean distract you from the conversation by killing someone? Look, a falcon.
Terry, how's your knee?
The falcon.
Terry, but you can't feel your knee now, huh?
Yeah.
No, it still hurts.
Terry, the best hope for you is if we chuck you in the river and let the waterfall take you downstream to safety.
Wait, give
But
me.
keep the idol and it'll get back to them.
Yeah, it looks
It'll travel
buoyant.
down
It looks
stream with
buoyant.
you.
Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand, Terry. Here's some Gorp.
I'm gonna eat it before it gets wet.
Get in, get in!
Rocks!
Bears!
I'm keeping the idol dry for no reason. It's made of gold.
Any packages for me?
Yeah. Oh, it's super long. Can you help me out? Grab the end. Start moving back. It's super long. Keep moving back. Stacy, move back.
Okay.
The package is super long. Move back. Hold on. Fred, get over here. I need you to hold the center. It's long. The package is... Fred, get over here.
Fred, come on, help me out.
Fred, quit flashbacking and get over here.
What happened?
Get over. I've got a long one.
That's a long goddamn package.
Yeah, I know, right? Thank you. All right,
gotta take
keep
it to the
moving
right.
back.
I gotta
Keep
take
moving
it to the
back.
right.
It's a
We gotta
long
angle it.
package.
We gotta angle it.
Go down on your side, because I can't do anything over here. All right, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got
It's a
it.
long package.
Fred, turn your wrists or I'm going to break them right now. Turn your wrists! The torque is going to fucking break you!
Fred, snap out of it!
What the hell?
Fred, turn your wrist. You gotta shoot him, Fred. Turn your wrist. They're gonna bomb us, Fred.
I'm only the
here. All right, Stacy. Jesus, Fred, get it together. Grab a Snapple or something. I need to sign for it.
Fred, grab the grenade, quick! They're coming for us, Fred!
Here.
It's a drink, Fred!
Fred! I hate that sound. It annoys me so much.
That one was the worst one yet.
Stop flashback grunting and get a Snapple. And not the lemonade one. That's my favorite Snapple. Save me that Snapple. I'm going to just sign.
I signed it already.
Jesus, you're fast. You're like a sign scribe,
It
Smithy.
didn't take that long. You were yelling at me.
Stop that hearing. I'm not yelling. That sounds like whispering to
I
that guy.
understand, but to me it was yelling.
Okay, I'm sorry. I gotta bring her down a couple notches when I go back to talking.
Fred! That's my heart!
I'm trying to get it going again.
It won't go outside of my body!
Fred, why are you shaking the Snapple so much?
I wanted to.
God damn it, quit shaking that Snapple, Fred!
I'm trying to get the iced tea and lemonade combined perfectly.
Look, I'm sorry I can't help you take it out to your car. Once
No,
I get it out to you,
understand.
it's, yeah.
I understand.
That's a fun fact.
Well, go on, Fred! Give me your Snapple facts!
Kansas City was the first place where a railroad tie washed up. I would have guessed that.
All right, Snapple guys, we got to come up with some fun facts for our cat ride this fall.
Okay. How about some more baseball facts?
Okay, go ahead, hit me with a couple.
Well, I don't know any. I just think baseball facts are always interesting to people.
God damn.
Like when I always hear baseball facts, I'm like, I didn't know that.
What if we just like write a whole bunch of ideas down into a hat and
Yeah.
just pick them out randomly?
Yeah.
Better yet, what if we write the beginning parts of a bunch of ideas and the end parts of a lot of ideas and just randomly combine them?
Oh,
Oh
my
yeah,
God.
great, Sandra. Way to jump on my idea.
And finish it. Oh my God, it works.
So let's write down Midwest cities.
Okay.
And then write down also old-timey things.
Yeah. Okay, great. Old-timey things that could only happen on a city on a coast.
There could be a river inlet.
Oh, sure, sure. But nothing washes up from a fucking river.
I don't even know what you're referring to.
It's just
yet.
a fact. Nothing washes up from a fucking river.
That would be a
I just did that thing. I did that thing where you said and I was writing, so I wrote that down on accident.
God.
I wrote it down too.
Okay, put it in.
It's gonna be the same thing.
All right, let me see what my cap says.
All right.
Snapple cat fact. Kansas City washed up railroad tie with a stupid fucking fact. Snapple!
What is your fact?
I forgot. I was so into drinking it.
I gotta get this package out of here.
Oh man, that's tart! Fred, get off that lady's
French!
Fred!
Fred, put down the gun.
Fred, what are you doing? Oh, Fred!
I didn't even shoot.
Fred, get off her package!
Come on. What's your fun fact? For the love of God.
Yeah, what's your fun fact?
Nothing ever washes up from a river. ...
Oh no, it means there's a cap somewhere that finishes that thought.
A what?
A cap.
Another cat somewhere in one of these Snapples?
Get me a Snapple.
A Snap
Get
cat?
me a Snapple.
What kind you want? I got a lot of flavors. I got peach. I got mango.
I want
got
whatever
peach
that
mango. I got peach mango apricot. I got Nantucket nectar. What are you doing in here?
What if we left some of the lids blank just to fuck with it?
Palmetto. Cherry orange.
Cherry orange.
Cherry orange. I took it out and threw it away, but okay.
Why would you do that?
Wild
Okay, so
flavor.
this will be the answer to the thing from before.
Yeah, shake it up, get that cherry and orange mixed up.
Snapple.
Holy shit. Doesn't say anything.
Hey, did you ever pick up my package?
Kevin, I can't tell you about the day I've had.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, sis? What's wrong? What's wrong?
What's going on in here? What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's wrong?
I got that flag for our flagpole. Where's that? Oh, what's wrong?
Honey!
You want a sample? You want a sample? You get your sample? We got a apricot. We got an Nantucket nectar. I don't know how that got in there, but it's not bad.
Substitute.
It's a bigger bottle.
You want one?
What's wrong?
Get a Nantucket nectar.
That's not gonna get you nectar!
It's got facts about Nantucket.
Yeah, it's specific.
Here you go.
Oh, we always roll.
We always roll it.
That's how you mix up a Nantucket nectar!
Right, you don't gotta shake it at all now.
It's like raw little hummingbirds.
What's wrong? Nectar.
Feel better already.
See, you just pop a cap. Once you pop one cap off a Nantucket nectar, you gotta pop off another one.
What's the fact? What's the fact?
I'll read the Nantucket fact on the top of that Nantucket nectar.
I haven't got something to do with a ferry boat and cars.
What's wrong?
One of you will die.
The head explosion.
And on some of them, we'll put these totally creepy things.
Go on.
And we'll put curses on those bottles so the things happen.
Let's super glue just a single bullet under a cap.
I love.
And then on another one, put a tiny gun.
Yeah.
And 2 different caps?
Yeah, and hopefully it's in a mansion and they open it up and someone gets murdered and no one knows, but they have quite an adventure trying to figure it out.
So they open the 2 caps?
And each cap is some sort of different murder weapon.
Like a bullet and a gun.
Yeah.
All right, I brought you all here to my mansion. Before you on this
That
platter.
driveway was long. Do you got something? I'm parched.
You got something I can drink before we get this whole reading of the will done?
I've worked up quite a thirst as well.
I need to be back at the university in several hours.
Laid out before you on that silver platter are many different flavors of Nantucket nectars.
Oh, shoot, I'm just a cowboy. I don't understand where that place is at. Hopefully there's a fun fact under there to let me know more about the place I'm drinking.
I know where it is, not because I'm a geography professor, but because I'm a relatively intelligent person.
Well, go ahead.
Ladies first.
All right. I'll take raspberry strawberry.
Excellent choice.
I think we should each take our own and then open them up at the same time.
Well, of course. That makes it
All right.
That's a wonderful. I'll take plain.
Good boy. All that's left is tangerine, nectarine. I'll take nectarine.
All at the same time.
All at the same time. And right after that, I'll turn the lights off. Something fun I like to do.
Ruins a bit of the surprise, but all right.
Okay? Where'd that butler go?
I certainly hope our lids don't have opposing parts of a weapon and get tangled up.
Ah, shoot!
That's what would happen.
Nah,
I don't know what I'm more surprised at. The fact that there's a bow and arrow under my cap, the fact that the lights are still on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's definitely the lights for me.
Fully prepared for the lights to be off.
And then the lights came on, and the butler was alive and dead?
I don't know, man. Guys, bad news.
What?
Corporate's coming down real hard on these mysteries that you're writing.
What are you talking about?
Goddamn corporate's all up in my ass!
We've been writing corporate mystery novels for 15 years.
And apparently sales aren't what they used to be.
Oh, come on! My mug says world's greatest dad! Tell corporate that!
You still are, you still are.
Thanks.
Just not as good of a writer, apparently. Oh, maybe it's me.
No.
Maybe my proofreading isn't all that good anymore.
It might be.
Stop it, Toby. You're the best proofreader in the biz.
Toby, Marcus, listen. We only can keep one more of you on.
I'll quit.
No. Corporate's giving me very specific rules.
What?
You each get a Nantucket nectar. And I'm going to leave and turn the lights off. Remember, it's still alive when I come back in the room. We'll continue writing corporate murder novels.
But I'm simply a proofreader. I really should be the one to go.
Well,
if I'm left here, I'll be proofreading nothing.
This is from corporate, guys. I can't go over their heads. These are specific rules I was given.
I got green tea. Nectar. A noose? What am I supposed to do now? Kill him?
I can't find the lid. I didn't even get mine open. Oh my God.
So, I knew I always wanted to be a dental hygienist. How long have you been writing corporate mystery?
Oh, well, I've been working on them for about 16 years, but I've only recently begun writing them since the suicide of my partner. Oh.
There's your lobster biscuit. Put the soup on the table. Just take it out of my hand.
I'm a little nervous.
Also, that table over there, wanted you to have these two Nantucket nectars.
The chairs on that table. Sitting on that. This is a no smoking. I should just say restaurant. They're all no smoking.
They've taken the bait.
He said bait.
I can't wait till they drink that.
Something seems suspicious, don't you think?
A little bit.
Just wait till they pop the caps on those Nantucket nectars. Their fact is going to be deadly.
Should we open these?
I don't think we should open them. You can hear what they're saying. It's all very ominous, really. They're chain smoking. Even the one where the smoke's coming out of the hole in his neck. I mean, I guess I do want to impress you.
You know what I think?
What?
I think all your corporate mystery writing has just spooked you a little bit. There's nothing to worry about.
Maybe it has. It's been a real new experience for me. Usually I just read the words and say they stink.
Sometimes I'm like that when I see someone eating sugary gum. Because of my job, it makes me feel funny.
Why would anyone eat sugary gum in this day and age? It's fucking so sugary. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah.
Stop it! Stop it! Don't you know what you're doing? Yeah, die! Die!
Oh dear God. I thought my story about my partner who hung himself was awful, but he did it when the lights were out, so it wasn't as bad. You saw that man die.
I got the kayak. Okay, this is gonna be an awesome weekend, guys.
I can't wait. I hope we find an idol.
I heard there's some caves up over there.
Caves? I love caves.
Come on, pile in, guys.
Whoa! Oh, my knee!
Terry, Jesus, why didn't you stretch like we told you?
Stretching?
God damn it!
Prevented that.
Terry!
It was a clear slip. All right, let's just go on. I think it's all right. It's not all right. It's not all right.
Well, unfortunately, the accommodations were already set that I sit in your lap in this kayak.
Oh. Not on that knee.
That's where I have
You
to
know what I
sit.
haven't had in a long time?
What's that?
Gorp, and like really fresh.
Oh my God.
Don't even talk to me about it.
Folks, thanks so much for coming out to see some live entertainment. Thank you. Good night.